Supporting the motion. I'm first of all supporting the motion, but I also disagree with the motion because what you are talking about. No, I support the motion, but give me an opportunity to explain to you. Give me opportunity to. I support the motion, but I have to have some explanation to Mr. President. Mr. President, I think this motion that he brought, it looked nice on the surface, but it does not work for the airline owners. It's not going to work because this is a law of demand and supply. The spare parts are costly, everything is very high, and you cannot put the life of our citizens. No, it must go. It must go. But okay, I'll take back that.